yes, yes, oh, yes, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes. Oh yes, guys. Hello. Hmm. Oh yes, my beautiful people. I greet una so much. I greet una too much. This Vera TV program in the building. And this video goes to my pursue the Enter House TV. TV. It goes to my pursue the Enter House TV. So thank you guys for being there for me. Thank you for the support me watching my video. God will bless you. I appreciate you a lot so because you know the truth and God will bless you. God will continue to bless us now. They appreciate good things shall locate you. And those people who don't subscribe, God will bless you. Those who never subscribe, God will bless you. Please, if you never subscribe, you the post for YouTube, you the worker, never subscribe. Please subscribe. When you subscribe, press that bell. That one will give you alert. Anything they do for my pursue the entire so they get the alert instant. So now, so my beautiful people, as far you get network, because it don't come. So now, so my people, I want to send message to Lolo again. I want to send message to Lolekia again. So this message go to Lolo. So I know say many people don't say no, I beg, make I forgive her. Many of them know say Lolo offend me, no. So I should forgive her. Wetin she do no good. This one, that one. I don't want it for this life. I mean this life won't dey so. Evil no good. Bring person down no good. Because when you know the suffer you suffer, another person dey come as me dey so. I dey talk am. Nothing YouTuber when me don't pass go do when I'll come the following day. Or I say anything we not do well, I'll come and go carry and they laugh am. No. When I do that, the moment I do that, I bring myself down. And I go disgrace myself by myself. If I can correct her, maybe what he or she do, I not like on wetin he dress, not too good. I say really dey bad. I'll just find her number. I'll call her. Tell her say no, what you do so no go like that. Even though it can't cost me, I no worry, but God knows for me to come with a mock her, they narrate her up and down. I've already tell her the truth, him or she. So that God said no say yes, I've done my own part of that. So God said go no say yes, I'm a good person. Not to an extent be laughing somebody. It's very bad to laugh person. And who you knew they come, it no good. I dey talk am. So now people they say, I beg, forgive her. And we know say she offend you. When I know what she do me, so I dey send this message to her. What they call them Lolekia. I just want to tell you that shame on you. Just look at your life for you to come and say where Monica then and you supposed there. That means the jealousy is so obvious. It's so obvious to your own best friend. Who come be? You and your best friend have matter. I never even reach you. Come on, go social media, go they bring things, come outside. At the end of the day, they say, they think Monica do not go. Monica head go kiss some people. And if Monica head not kiss some people don't will learn for the social media. Monica head go kill them. Whereas those people that is there, Monica offend many people. Monica do this one. The time when they do that, and now they there, they clap and hey, first to come. Now demo. Because he don't they reach their turn, they don't say Monica no good. Whereas all those things, now then they go, they give Monica. Like my own Monica don't hear me one bit. I see they talk in case they say can't swear. Monica has never insulted me on her own. It's somebody that bring my matter to her. That's the reason why she come out and talk. She only say it once. But Lolo come for me when I did not come for her. Lolo come for me when I don't have any issue or problem with her. Now I'm doing mine because I don't get my own fans to deal with her. Many people are there. Please, I beg. Don't come here and tell me, please, I beg. Let me do my to the satisfaction. As his son say, now stupid girl, and she be. She is real and stupid girl. Evil girl. No be she come outside they cause lovely not get passports, lovely not the shame, lovely this, lovely that. Is she not the one that was saying it that Lovely not get passport when call the cost Lovely. They posted Lovely picture, they sought Lovely more than 1 year. Is she not the one? Monica not to get time for Lovely. Now Lolo say get passport, say Lovely not get. Una forget. Because I wonder why the bad people they forget so soon. But if na my own husband, they not go forget. If na my own now, they will not forget. Useless and shameless and shawo lolo. Your husband come out, then go stay with another woman for UK. You are there fully yourself. The fox small Igbo boy, the fox small boys up and down. They say na €5 pizza. Now they take the cash shoe. You want pizza. €5. So tell your goddaughter see better pass you. You say you be person go mother, whereas now you see the buy cloth for you. All Monica can't tell lie. You know both come as one of my callers say you still come as a Monica, what they talk about me and lie. You bold. May not bring the evidence come aside. May not bring people when you give the money come aside. You shock. You were shocked. And you know both toss and lie you. You know both see the one way you do for Monica. Monica is a CG person. Monica like money. No, now you not like money. No, they forbid. You don't like. I wonder why people will see the truth. They will be dancing away from the truth. My people, my beautiful fans, out there, God go bless. All pop Monica's team, and Monica fans and my fans, all pop now go. Anything I touch shall be a blessing because I know the truth. Because this lady is just going hard, they find where to bring her down. You know go fit. Oh, don't find, Oh, don't wawa, not be my fault. Oh, don't find, oh, don't wawa. Don't worry, not be my fault. So go and sit down and mind your life. Because I wonder why people see the truth and they're running away from it. When Lolo do that thing to me, if I'm not a strong lady, you know what? She just wanted to kill my career, to kill everything about my life. God forbid bad thing. God see me through. They insulted me there. You know what? To go to somebody's page and go and collect his video. Cut him, will not be share. Cut him, put him for you. Write rubbish, but now they talk rubbish because no, not do. They never do not the same thing. If they say Lolo and Monica will find trouble, but it's Lolo. Lolo is a witch and is a green snake under the green grass. She is the most evil human being on earth. So this message go to Lolekia until you come out and apologize to me. Because when you say Vera the other day, people think maybe it's me that you were apologizing to. So I say let them know, not me. Not me. Because people tell me that it's not me. They called me. So, not be me. Lolo must come outside to come apologize. Monica come outside apologize to people when she don't offend. Of which many people now they come where she sit down. Now they bring the matter, call him and make it talk. And he go dead, she not dead, she not talk. When I call they remove Lolo, now they talk Monica. She not the call put. She not the talk put. She not they do I'm a bot, a fiat, or a four inside. Many things video when she hide. Both person that they believe as me they both too. When you are both to do something, people believe you. Not say they under in they go hide and you are looking for. You may they say, no, I don't want problem. I good though. When that one don't fight, don't win now. You want to collect it from her just like that. It's true, Monica, people subscribe to your channel. It's true, Monica, people view you. If not be so, you know that you cannot even grow on the social media aspects. You could have nowhere to be found if you don't know. Bring the name you used to go to school, the certificate and everything. You don't say and bring. Bring the school that you went to. Let people go there and check. You don't go there. You don't bring and come outside. Maybe we see if it is true now. If not truth, you they talk more. Who know you don't talk. Bring the school. You say no. How many class you reach? You say no. Which university you attend? You did not say the name. We go find out for me. You didn't bother to say it more. Not go find out. Because you need to have classmates and you don't have classmates. If this university, they bring it out, stop calling people illiterate. You are illiterate. You are the number one. You are the number one. So stop insulting people. You are the number one dropout. When they add present tense and past tense together, did you even go to school? She not go, but not be you they help and they do a live video. She not go, not be you they help and they do everything when she they do for her channel. Not be you they help me. Me they see they do it myself. Or you can't go school pass. You are I'm my own boss. Lobo is her own boss. Now be her own boss. Now she be madam. She is not under you. You are under her. This woman now you did not see a place to go. That is why you are crying here and there. Shame on you. You don't even know a place to go now. You don't get friend now. Nobody want near you. A friend of how many years you both to bring, say, a drink or you do this or you publish them. Who you know coffee publish in nakedness. So lucky you did not get a nakedness. So God ma apologize to me, man. Oh yes, God. You not do a shower, not do a shower. People when know you have to take do a shower for Italy. She when he pass you day. You know, he say she not do. Now me do. Now my enemy do, Lolekia, my enemy do. You not do. Where mommy boy, you be virgin. You for say you be enemy. You never bust flower. You for say you never bust the pipe. Say you be still sharper car. Now you for say you be. Ashishi. You when they sleep up and they don't know you €5, you get €5, we just call you. You go down and put your. It's a shame. Okay? It's a shame. Go and hide your face in shame. You don't feel use your reggae cut to disturb our blues here. So this message go to Lolo. Lole Kia, come out and apologize to me. Stupid and shameless human being. Come out and apologize. Then I will no because of Monica. Because of Monica is far better than you. Monica is far better than you. If you don't know, let me tell you that she is far better than you. When you were lying here and there, you didn't know that hand go meet you. All those are shameless and shower fans. When they not see Pikin born, they'll say, I know what born. Whether they not see Pikin born. They are all, they don't use and they don't go sell them. Me not exchange my own for house. I don't exchange my womb for property. Because property is vanity upon vanity. If you like a born, you not concern you. Now you tell you born, you not concern you. So, my people, they not see born. They will say, I know what born. Why can't they pay you for? As you see me so. If something not they pay me for, but they don't get that time. So if you know they pay them for body, I don't want to do this one. I don't want to do anything you don't want to keep it to yourself. Don't use it to disturb our beautiful women out there. No use and disturb our real fans, my real people. Not going to use already they disturb them. If you know what born, you know they find bikini. Now you born, now you use body cup. You keep them. Or you both don't go to media and say, I don't want born no. I don't want born no. Now me no want born. You don't say oh you born like that. Oh you born when no want born, no go here for 2 years. Some of the family members cannot even hear, they feel not hear about them. Because now their private matter. That is now they want to decide how they are going to live their life. Not you that want to come and decide it for them. So not be saying you don't see Pikin born. At the end, hey, I don't want born no. Hey, they born through away, oh, they do this one. You don't even born through when you live You ain't not born and we don't even say at all. Now your words pass. Undo they thought to know yourself. You ain't know you're born and your call words pass. You when they not even they see call you mommy, either good or bad. You take care, not take care. One day they not say because you not born, because you take care of them, they'll say now you can't be mommy. No. So you when not you're born and your was past man with your day so. Because all of them cannot your turn against me. If I like, I take it. If I like, not take it. All of them cannot your turn against me. Say I'm a wicked mother. Father take care of a child, of which we know is because of jealousy. All of them cannot just hate me. All of them cannot say I've been witch, I've been this. Because me as a mother struggle down here. What the papa can they do? Now picking up papa that they ask question, not mama, those stupid and useless human being. Papa now they ask. You know? Papa, me don't see many boys and that papa. They'll go ask papa, what did you use your life for? Where my mother for fit struggle come abroad, what till you can they do? Where till you can use your life for? You know, go see talk. I struggle. If I don't struggle, but now maybe my enemy for them. Go for me battle. So let me enjoy my life. Give me time. So Lalekia, come out to apologize to me. Stop fooling yourself around. I share one in the area. I share one in the area. I see one in the area. Kissy. Lolo the Lolekias. Your lips don't be Lolo. Oh Lolekia here nore Netherlands. E Lolo Lolekia here nore Netherlands for. Okpa magike. Rude Lola him they go they carry husband the road because of Lolo. If you carry your husband because of pay for TOT. Sorry for you. That person you not getting your husband back. So thank you. I'm about to go now. Thank you. Bye for now. Please subscribe to Opportunity Enter House. Bye, 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 bye for now.